Is anyone behind you?
Yeah, they're over here. God.
This is where we cross.
Oh, jeez. I see you. You're not going to shoot me, are you? Yeah, you are. Son of a bitch, I thought that was you. How do you think I feel? Get down! They're about 20 feet in. All you can see is his orange tip. Well, we found the bamboo. Yo, there's Rick.
Yeah, I know.
Who's over there? Can you get him?
Yeah, I got him. I already had him.
There's two more off the face mask. This is like fighting in a fishbowl. I can't see nothing.
Yeah, that thing sounds like an AK.
Huh?
Man, I'm out.
Complete?
Yeah,
Reload.
I'm out. To the right! To the right!
Eric's got a 1,000-round bottle. Ow, damn. Hey Tony, we gotta move.
I don't know how to put this thing back in, but I'm gonna hold on to this.
Alright.
I'm gonna go get them.
Eric's got a 1,000-round bottle in his upper pocket, so he can reload your quick mag, or your full mag. I don't know where the hell they are, but they're right in here somewhere.
We open up their flank, I'm coming around them. To your right! Watch your back!
Go! Over here, Tony! We gotta move. Oh shit, Michael! Alright, yo!
Surrender! Quit! Quit!
Michael?
Quit! Don't do it!
Michael, I got you. That's it. That's a surrender, come on.
Safety zone, mix, go!
That's it! Put him up!
Oh, my red dot sight broke. We got flanked. I told you there was flanked! I think I saw it back here. Found the bamboo there.
Yeah, I noticed that.
That happens.